Yo friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious mala grilled fish recipe. Hope you like it. Today's recipe is simple to make, and the ingredients can be adjusted according to personal taste. Let's cooking.
Mala grilled fish.
Ingredients: fish fillets, mala paste, fried fusic, bean curd knots. Wash and squeeze dry bean curd knots. Wash and drain fried fusic. Wash and pat dry fish fillets. Seasoning fish fillet. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon flour. Wrap aluminum foil on grill plate. Drizzle cooking oil. Drizzle cooking oil on fish fillets. Place fish fillets into plate. Put into oven. 180 degree 20 minutes. Flip fish fillet at 10 minutes.
Wow, smell good.
Fried fish set aside. Prepare steam plate separately, then pour mala paste into the plate. Add bean curd knots and mix with mala paste. Add fried fusic. Place fried fish fillet on top. Pour in appropriate amount of water. Drizzle 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Steam for 15 minutes.
Wow, smell with rich mala taste.
Let's eat. The fried fusic and bean knots absorbed the spicy soup, which was very rich and delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. YouTube. There are 3,000s of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Omega-3. Studies have found that the omega-3 fatty acids rich in fish have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, help reduce joint inflammation, and have a relieving and inhibitory effect on joint cartilage degeneration. Fish meat is rich in high-quality protein, easy to digest and absorb, low in fat, and also contains inorganic salts such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, iodine, zinc, selenium, and a variety of vitamins. Fish skin is rich in collagen and a variety of trace elements. Leucine also has certain anti-cancer effects. Fish skin can be eaten cold, crispy, and delicious.
There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.